Hello. Today, we'll practice contractions. We will practice making sentences with it is, it's, they are, and their. For example, I'll ask, what is it? And you will answer, it is an apple, it's an apple. Or, what are they? They are apples, they're apples. Ready? Let's practice. What is it? It is an orange. It's an orange. What are they? They are oranges. They're oranges. What is it? It is a lemon. It's a lemon. What are they? They are lemons. They're lemons. What is it? It is a grapefruit. It's a grapefruit. What are they? They are grapefruits. They're grapefruits. What is it? It is a lime. It's a lime. What are they? They are limes. They're limes. What is it? It is a pineapple. It's a pineapple. What are they? They are pineapples. They're pineapples. What is it? It is a raspberry. It's a raspberry. What are they? They are raspberries. They're raspberries. What is it? It is a cherry. It's a cherry. What are they? They are cherries. They're cherries. What is it? It is a papaya. It's a papaya. What are they? They are papayas. They're papayas. What is it? It is a fig. It's a fig. What are they? They are figs. They're figs. What is it? It is a strawberry. It's a strawberry. What are they? They are strawberries. They're strawberries. Thanks for watching. See you next time.